How's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about spread operator. So I talked about it earlier, but I didn't explain briefly what it is. So I'm gonna show how what it is now, and remove remove up to here. I will go remove that. And what we're gonna do is make an empty array. That three dot which copy the object. It can also copy array because in theory array are objects. So after doing that, we're gonna do is put dot second oh so and if we put C combine, you can see that we successfully put those two. We can remove it and make one. See, we can even add more stuff like that way, what we generally do. See, this is what we can do now, and I'm gonna change that because it's just a copy of that, copy, and instead of logging slice out, we can logging copy out. So what will happen? So see, and we can do one more way. Make a constant and name it copy because we are using copy. So, and make an empty array. Use the spread operator. Yes, it is a spread operator. And combined that just happened. Yeah, see, we just did it. So that's it for today's video, guys. And like and subscribe, and I don't know what you want to do what you want to do, live life here, and see you guys next time.